the Rubik's Cubes and our life. Number 1. Rubik's Cube's base, the white cross, symbolize a start with a strong foundation in our life. What it means in our life? Building a strong foundation, just like life. Starting with a solid base ensure that future action align with our goals. What's the life lesson? Focus on your fundamental. Clarity and consistency are key. Start with your why. Know your foundation because it determines the strength of everything else. When solving a Rubik's Cube, the first goal is to create the white cross. It's simple but it is crucial. Without a strong base, every other move becomes meaningless. In life, the base is your values and priorities. It's knowing what important your family, dreams or principles and using them as your anchor. Without this clarity, it's like trying to build a house without a solid foundation. Example, take Oprah Winfrey. She grew up in poverty, but her foundation was fierce belief in education and self-worth. That belief grounded her, allowing her to rise above and circumstances and inspire millions.